Okay, in this video, I'm going to share to you about how to make the modern simple frame tiny house in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we can make the rectangle in here. We can select the rotate rectangle and click, and we can type 3 meter in here, and drag to the another side, type 6 meter in here. Okay, and then this is about the base plane, and we can push it up, type 300 millimeter in here. Okay, and make group. Okay, and after that, now we can make the rectangle and click from this point to this point in here. Just click and just offset it inside, type 150 millimeter in here. And now we can click and erase and push it up, type 3.2 meter in here. Okay, then now we can triple click and also make group and select the rectangle, click from this point to this point. Then now we can click and push it up, type 200 millimeter in here, and triple click and also make group in here. Okay, and after that, now we can make the door in here. We can click this, we can triple click this one and select this line, and we can select this area and type 2.4 meter in here, and drag to the another side, type 1.4 meter, and just click to this one and push it to the behind in here. Okay, and then now we can make the large window in here. Okay, we can make the large window for the dialecting system in here. Okay, and after that, now we can select the line and click the line, click the perimeter of the line in here until to this position, and triple click and offset it inside, type 35 millimeter in here, and just select the line, click and place at this position and erase and erase. Then now we can click and push it to the another side, 120, and make group. Okay, then now we can make this rectangle and just offset it inside in here and erase. Okay, then now we can push it to the behind with thickness in here. Okay, now we can triple click, make group. Okay, then now we can select the dark color in here and the dark color. Okay, now we can select the glass, and okay, we can click this one and click, select move type control, and just place it this position in here and select rectangle and offset it inside, type 35 millimeter in here. Then now we can just click and push it to the behind, 120, and now we can make the glazing in here. Okay, and double click, make group. Okay, then now we can select the dark materials and select the rectangle in here. Okay, and then now we can make the terrace area in here and push it to the another side in here, and click and push it down, type 50 millimeter in here. Triple click and also make group. And after that, now we can make the rectangle on this position in here to make the canopy area in here. Okay, it's look like a canopy. We can click and move it down in here. You can move it down on this position and triple click and just make group. Okay, and okay, now we can just assign. Okay, then now we can select the circle. Okay, now we can make the support frame of this one, and just make group and select move to control and just place to the position in here. And okay, right now we can make the another something. Maybe it's look like window of the kitchen or pantry area in here. Okay, now we can click and push it to the behind and type 120 millimeter. Okay, and make group and make the window here. Okay, then I'll push it to the behind and just click from the midpoint until to this midpoint and triple click, make group, and we can assign about the color. Okay, we can assign about the color to this one. And okay, right now we can assign about the materials. Maybe we can choose the another materials with the wood materials in here. We can choose the cladding. Okay, this is about the wooden materials in here. Okay, and this is about the roofing in here. This is about the roofing. Okay, this is a base plane, and okay, this is for the flooring, semi outdoor flooring in here. Okay, and now we can select the concrete materials. we can just this concrete materials, and okay, this is the secondary terrace in here, and make the concrete over there. And then now we can make the simple chair in here and push it up in here. Okay, and make the rectangle and push it to the another side in here. Make group, and maybe we can make the backrest in here for the simple chair in here, and make it smooth and curve. Okay, and now we can assign with the wood materials. We can just this one. Okay, we can select move, type control, and just place. Okay, now we can just select rotate and just select rotate. Okay, and then now we can make the circle and push it up in here. Okay, sorry, we can make group and select the wood materials in here. And okay, so this is about the blender box. Sorry, this is about the blender box for the plant tree. And maybe we can decorate to make it more curved. Okay, push it down in here, and okay, we can select the make group. And now we can select the landscaping. We can choose this one. Okay, and now we can assign about the materials, about the canopy in here, about the front canopy with these materials in here over there. Okay, so this is about the barbecue area, so you can use this one to make the barbecue area in here. And maybe we can put the plant tree on this area. Okay, we can just exclude this one, erase. We can explode this one and just scale again here. We can just scale to be a little. Okay, we can make group and select move, and now we can just rotate this one and select move, type control. Okay, and this is about the plant tree of the front area in here, of this tiny house in here. And okay, I think that was enough. And okay, maybe we can make another elements in here. Can make the simple elements. Can triple click, make group, can push it up and move it down in here, about this line in here for the another element. We can choose the gray color in here. Okay, and then now we can just activate about the shadow. Okay, just like this, and we can make the profiles in here. Okay, just like this, and we can also select about the component. Okay, just like this one. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, so you can improve more about this 3D model. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, and just thank you for watching and have a good day.